Hey, it's Kim Offord, and it is Saturday. It is Saturday in the life of me, a realtor. Oh, and my hair is looking crazy. But anyway, um, today is not a fancy day. Today is not a glamorous day, as you can tell. I'm taking a listing. I've already have the listing, so this is not a listing appointment. I would not go to a listing appointment looking like this. But I'm just here to get some information, measure the rooms, and get some preliminary pictures. But this is in the Chatham area of Chicago, and yeah, it's a bungalow, and there are a lot of historic bungalows in this area. Chicago is known for historic bungalows, and yeah, so we're gonna have at it. Here we go. Considered either for investors or for a 203K, FHA 203K family. And one thing about houses like this is you have to consider who the demographic is, who the target market is for a home like this. Yeah, so, you have to look at things like, is it move-in ready? Are there just some minor repairs, or are there some repairs that need to be done that are cosmetic as well as safety related that need to be done as to whether or not it's a good candidate for just a family that wants to move in and do get that sweat equity, or if it's something for an investor to flip, to get purchase, rehab, and put back on the market. Yeah. So the one thing about this property, this is a historic bungalow, as I was saying before, and in Chicago, bungalows are really popular. And the one thing that we love about bungalows is the ability to put a dormer on it. That's when you put the riser on the top of the roof of the house, because bungalows are built with a slanted ceilings. And so when you lift that ceiling up a little bit, it gives you a little bit more room. This one has already has a dormer on it. Basically, the owners back in the 70s, they were visionaries. They had some really good vision in terms of what they could do with this house. And so they already put one on it. So yeah, this may look normal to everyone else, but I'll show you. So in a normal situation, bungalows would have this ceiling, this slanted ceiling all throughout the entire upstairs, but this one in particular does not. It has that open space, and what's even more unique with it is that there is a bathroom, a half bath already plumbed out, and it's a real challenge to get some plumbing upstairs to these types of houses. And then one thing else I'm going to point out is, you notice they were using this heater to heat up here. So anyone who would buy this property, they would have to, I guess maybe initially figure out, how to get some proper heating, ventilation, and air up to this part of the property. Not difficult, it's tedious, but it's doable. Another challenge is this slant right here. When you walk down, the head height, it's interesting. I'm gonna bump my head. Another thing typical for Chicago, really, in bungalows in particular, are basements. And we love our basements. And it's, another living area. It could be another bedroom down here. It's a lot of entertainment space, but it's also where all of the mechanics of the house are for our bungalows. And one of the challenges is that a lot of bungalows had radiant heat and still have radiant heat. And those are some huge pipes, metal pipes, and they're supported with a boiler system. The one thing about that, you don't have air conditioning. So a lot of times people who want to purchase bungalows take into consideration, they might want to put central air in and go with forced air, gas forced air for heat, and central air for air. So that's another consideration. Now, it's one thing I look for when I'm going into houses.
Thanks for watching this video on historical bungalows in the Chicago area. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel to see more.